Hello there. Today I'll try to show you how to open a Bosch coffee grinder. Here you can see I'm already opened it, so I'll just put it all together again. As you can see, it's not just been put together, it's on a glue, so it's not gonna be that easy. I read it on internet. Somebody suggests to use a screwdriver to open it. You may do that with any luck, but I would say forget about all that, because as you can see, space between these two parts, it's not big, and there is not, you're gonna damage this plastic anyway. So what I was doing, I just used a brute force, like a hammer. So you put some rag or something on the floor, soften the blow, and you put in like a little angle, and whatever you do, you don't want to hit this top part, as it's more softer. You want to hit the bottom part, which is much harder. Like I said, little angle. Here we go. So my problem is here, as this overloaded yesterday my coffee grinder, and that this engine shaft become loose here in this plastic bit. I'll try to put some glue or something. Anyway, good luck with your repairs.